Hi everyone, my name is Olivia. Welcome to our channel. In this video, I will mention 10 common problems that 5th generation Toyota Camry vehicles are prone to experience. Number 1. The middle 3 and 4 rear head bolt threads in some of the aluminium blocks of 2.4-litre engines in some of these vehicles are prone to strip, causing coolant to leak on the back side of the engine close to the firewall, and it also causes the engine to overheat. These damaged threads can be repaired using the repair kit TimeSearch 2200 shown on the screen. Number 2. Some 2004 to 2005 models were recalled in the US due to a defective crankshaft pulley that poses the risk of the outer ring coming loose and detaching from the inner section of the crankshaft pulley that is connected to the engine. The repair consists in replacing the defective crankshaft pulley with a new, improved replacement. Number 3. The steering rack and pinion in some of these vehicles is prone to develop fluid leaks between 100 and 150,000 miles and needs to be repaired or replaced. Number 4. The valve stem seals in the 2.4-litre 4-cylinder engines tend to harden over time, causing engine oil to enter the combustion chamber. This results in blue smoke coming out of the exhaust tailpipe and engine oil consumption. Replacing the hardened valve stem seals with new ones solves the problem. Number 5. The throttle body unit in some 2.4-litre 4-cylinder engines is prone to malfunction over time, causing the engine to have a very low idle, and sometimes the engine stalls when waiting for the traffic lights to turn green at an intersection. Cleaning the throttle body unit with approved throttle body cleaner sometimes restore its normal operation, but in many cases the throttle body unit is defective and needs to be replaced. Number 6. The water pump in some of these vehicles equipped with 4-cylinder engine is prone to develop coolant leaks between 100 and 150,000 miles and needs to be replaced. Number 7. The starter motor in some of these vehicles equipped with 6-cylinder engines is prone to fail between 150 and 200,000 miles and needs to be replaced. Number 8. The headliner fabric in some of these vehicles tends to detach from the ceiling, giving the interior of the vehicle a bad appearance. To solve this cosmetic problem, the old fabric needs to be removed completely and replaced with new headliner fabric using the correct headliner fabric adhesive. Number 9. The valve cover gasket is prone to harden over time, causing oil leaks. Replacing the old valve cover gasket with a new one solves the problem. Number 10. The mass airflow sensor in some of these vehicles is prone to malfunction over time, causing the engine to become hard to start, to have roof idle, poor acceleration and lack of power due to lean mixture condition. It is recommended to clean the MAF sensor with approved mass airflow sensor cleaner prior to replacing it to make sure that the issue is not caused by a dirty sensing element. Those are 10 common problems that 5th generation Toyota Camry vehicles are prone to experience. Have a wonderful day.